Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove Pro account in CapCut. All you have to do now is just go to the Play Store. Here you can download the application that you want. For example, the game itself, and also how you can stop your subscription on CapCut. You can tap on your profile pictures. You can go to the payment and subscription. You can tap it and you can tap subscription. Here where's the CapCut application located, so you can remove your Pro account in subscription option in the Play Store. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.